Hi, this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center and welcome back to another video. Today we will be making these paper Lunar New Year lanterns. For supplies, you'll need bright colored paper, a cardboard tube, scissors, glue stick, a hot glue gun, a pencil, and an optional battery tea light. Start by cutting a bit off of a cardboard tube to make it shorter. Next, cut and measure a piece of paper to wrap around the cardboard tube, and then glue it in place. Here I reinforced the paper with a few staples. Next, with a red piece of paper, measure it to be a bit longer and wider than the cardboard. Cut it out with scissors. Then fold the paper in half. Make even spaced cuts along the folded edge. Make sure to not cut all the way up and leave a bit of space near the top. Line up the corner of the paper along the cardboard. Stick it down with a bit of hot glue. Do the same to the bottom corner to keep it in place. Then slowly go around and glue the paper along the edge of the cardboard. The paper should flare out and make a round lantern shape. Did you know that red is a lucky color in China? On Lunar New Year, we make sure to wear vibrant and red clothing. Then trim off any excess off the end. Go around the lantern and gently tug and pull the paper to smooth out any harsh folds and to make the lantern more volumized and round. Next, add any finishing details like a handle and a paper trim on the edges. You can also scrunch up some paper and glue it inside the cardboard to hold the tea light. Thank you for watching, and as always, the written instructions will be linked below. Check out our website for more fun art tutorials, and share your art on Facebook and Instagram by tagging us at SCYAP Inc. See you in the next video, and have a wonderful Lunar New Year and Happy Year of the Tiger.